Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I'm Jish and we are going to be working on the XJ650. Now in today's video we are going to be making an electrics tray and an under panel for all the electrics to hide away. Pretty straightforward, simple stuff, but I'm going to be putting a twist on it and I'll explain to you later on just what I'm doing. But before we start anything with this video, I'd like to remind you, if you like what you see, if you like this channel, please consider joining us on Patreon. It helps the channel grow, it helps keep me doing these videos that you enjoy. You can also follow me on Instagram using the tag here. And let's just get straight into the video. So that is all we've got time for in this video, unfortunately. It kind of occurred to me that when I've come to this point, I really need to disassemble the bike, take the tank off, take the engine out, and do all this work properly, just bare frame. So that's probably what we're going to be doing next video. It's kind of a big step because I didn't want to take the engine out and lose the shape of the bike just yet, but You need to do these things to progress with the build, and I think it's going to be a turning point for this build. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. And if you've got this far in the video, I'm about to tell you what I've done with the rear end. So you can see how far we've come in here. I can't actually tack that in until I've cleaned up the frame and got rid of all the little gremlins and brackets that are under there that I don't need, which obviously I want to do when the engine's out. And moving on to this tailpiece, you know the battery sits here quite nicely, and you're probably just wondering, what is this gap for? Why have I left a big, kind of weird looking, kind of mouth almost? I'll try to explain it the best I can.
Police officer.
So the best way to kind of describe what I'm doing with this here is a kind of retro diffuser slash acrylic light system. I can't really show you just yet what I mean, but if you have seen Auto Fabrica and their tail lights, that is an indication of the kind of style we're going with, including this, still incorporating the LED strip light. It's an idea that I've had in my head for some time, and I'm just going to bite the bullet and do it. It may look stupid now, it may look really weird what I've done, but hold out with me, please trust me. From the headlights all the way down to the rear end, it's going to be a little bit mad, so just hold out. So just subscribe and bear with me. I've only tacked it in for now, just so when I get the frame bare, I can go around properly and make the welds nice and just do everything to a high standard. Because I want this bike to be special, more special than the CB was to me, and that's saying something. So I'm going to leave it there now, guys. I really appreciate all your comments, all your support, everything that you do to inspire me and create these videos. As I said at the start of the video, please consider joining us on Patreon. I'd massively appreciate it. And as always, I shall see you in the next video.